everything else, like different from everything I've been building so far. It's an app like this. Where's that app gone? Tick tick. It's basically habit tracker. I don't want like all the habit tracker stuff. It's just I need a to do. It's not even a habit. It's a to do thing I want that is repeatable, right? I think I could get something like this up and running with the help of cursor pretty fast, right? So that's the goal. It should be a desktop app like React Native Desktop. So you'll have like a good chance of understanding how React Native desktop apps are run, right? I think React Native Desktop is right now, it supports the latest. Get started with Mac OS. I mean, someone has to do a pull request on this. This is still on 71. It gotta be like 75, cause I'll show you exactly how I do my stuff. So React Native for Windows. Come on, not this. Okay, React Native Desktop, React Native Mac OS. That's what it is, right? So React Native Mac OS. It will be like a. Let me see. Fix. I don't want that. Releases. I think it has 75. No. So what's happening? This is the guy who runs the whole thing. 74. Is it not 75 yet? Let me check. Where am I going? Yeah, let me check Twitter. Where is Saad? Saad Nazmi. You know what? Saad Nazmi, Twitter. This Twitter. Not that. Saad Nazmi, Microsoft. Twitter. You know what? I'm gonna go to his account and follow him from there. Yeah. There's no point. Okay. Such stuff. He should have something down here. He went to CallStack, I think. First Revolution. I'm gonna be using. What's this? That's Javed from London. React Native macOS 75. So why React Native macOS 75 is out? So what? Okay. So CD projects. Tick, tick. Let's just call it Tic Tac. Mac directory Tic Tac. CD Tic Tac. 71 or 75.1 is it? Then why does it say over here? I know like 74 is the latest. I don't know. All right. NPX 75.1. Well, what was it like? Alter. How do you like 75.1? How'd you go like skip words? Was it alter? Not that. Not that. Like. Oh yeah, it's control. So control so it's going by words. Okay. Okay. Project name Tic Tac. Tic Tac. I don't know whether we'll be able to like put it up online or something. Yeah. Proceed. So we're adding React Native 75. I shaved my head, man. Monk mode and all that. Why'd you like? I feel really good when I shave my head. Really, really good. It's a different me. This init command is deprecated. Behavior will change in this year, right? Switch to npx React Native CLI init. Alright. We'll come to it. React Native latest init. React Native community CLI init. Why don't we do that? It's a version. So 75, so actually we didn't have to do that, to be honest. But let's see what happens. Every time I do that, I feel like a damn beginner, because something always goes wrong. It takes like hours just to get like the scaffolding up and running, which on its own is not worth like cloning like the few feature. But I'm an app developer and I'm like, I ain't buying that. I'm cheap. There's no reason, actually. It doesn't make any sense to like make like an app just for the to-do stuff. Okay, so cd. Do I have to do like bundle install? It always goes wrong. Always goes wrong. Cd tick tick. And then bundle install. Oh, no, not that. cd iOS. Do you have node modules? Do we have node modules? No, I guess. Metro config. Bundle install, bundling exec pod install. Okay. Can I do like that? npx React Native npx React Native run iOS. That I can't do that. Why not? We have done yarn. Where's node modules? No node modules? Why not? What is the thing? This is different. React Native. What version are we? NVM. What version are we? NVM. Oh, LTS. Around 20 at least. NVM list. Yeah, we're on 20. What's the latest? 24 or something? Right. Let's go to it. Completed. Done. We do have node modules. Okay, we have to go to iOS. Oh, come on. Bundle install. Let's do that, and then I think bundle exec pod install, and then the pod. Then we'll run the example, and then we'll do the React Native macOS, and that's it. Right. That's the part. And then we'll open up Cursor and ask it to make. I don't want to make anything to for everyone to use. It's just for me to use, and local is fine. Yeah, I'm gonna add like an async storage based stuff real quick, not for anyone else, because I just want need one feature, nothing else, which is just recurring to dos. That's it. So it's basically a to do app, right? Post is Algolia. Why I don't need that, do I? Bundle exec. Or is it bundle exec pod install? Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that. Yo, boy. Was it bundle exec? Bundle exec pod install. That's what it is, right? What is it? Bundle exec pod install. Bundle exec pod install. Yeah, my memory serves me right. It's bundle exec pod install. Alright, the Harmony stuff being downloaded. 75.1. Great job from Saad Nazmi and his team. They are on React Native 75. So we'll get to see what broke and what is working, what is not working. Because 75 is using the latest Harmonious, and I think it's using Fabric as well. So no bridge, nothing. JSI and all that. Let's see. It's a basic app, so hopefully we're not gonna get stuck. And Cursor should take care of like a sidebar thing. But I also have like something up and running. CD. What's this thing called? TikTok. I like the name. TikTok. 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 Four things, right? My daughter is laughing. So open. No. What am I looking for? I think I deleted it. Damn. Anyway. You see cache, pod install, CodeGen. Okay. Alright, cool, man. Now run it. It runs. Cause making weird noises is like one of the things I love doing, man. While I'm coding, I think I'm gonna make like small push buttons, and like when I click on, like when I feel like having. Oh my god, did you guys hear me up until now? I don't think so, cause the mic was turned on in a different way. Oh my god. Silly damn mistakes. Mistakes happen. Let me see if anyone was watching. Did anyone like tell us what was going wrong? Like no one. Come on, man. Should have at least told us. Jeez. Right? What was going wrong? What was going wrong? Like no one. Come on, man. Jeez, I don't know, but like now obviously you can hear it. Let me check it out. Jeez. Well, it looks like it was okay. I was I was worried, scared shitless for a sec. I was scared shitless for a sec. Okay. All right. Audio is actually going out. No problem. So we don't need this anymore. What is this? Shut up. Yep. Okay. It is trying to load the app. Obviously, the first load ever. Like we have just init, did the init of the app. Is gonna take forever to run. And it's an iMac, by the way. iMac 16 GB M1. Looks like it is having a sweet time, but let it take its sweet time. But it's the first time anyway. And then we're gonna take out everything, rip apart everything, add the Mac app. I don't even want that and like iOS app, but like, but then who knows? So my plan is like to upload it, make it open source, make it free, because I don't have time like to make a to-do app, and there's like ton load of it, and they're like super cheap. It's not even worth the hassle to make it. Why am I making it? I shouldn't even make it. I shouldn't even make it. You know, it's just like I want to get something done in like an hour or something, right? And just one thing, just one chance. One chance to come back to tell our what, like the Braveheart thing, right? That you can take our lives, but you can never take our freedom. Bullshit. And in my experience, like political stuff is like all the shit. Someone is trying to utilize you, and you're hurt in. It recently happened in Bangladesh, man. Like there was this oppressive government for 15 years. It just used every ounce of its power to do every kind of oppression on its own people, right? And that's cool, you know, people are okay with it. But at some point, it was like people couldn't bear it no more, and they revolted just in July. So what happened was like roughly 1,500 people died in that. Imagine that in modern day time, 1,500 people died. Okay. They just shot at it, and the army at one point said, you know, we're not gonna like shoot at our own people. And the government fell. Everyone, the prime minister and everyone just flew the country, hightailed it, you know. So okay, cool, that's what happened. But now there's like roughly 20,000 people who have been shot and now in hospital beds, and no one gives a damn. All the revolutionaries are like in high positions of the government, drinking tea, you know, going to the UN, giving speech, getting clapped. And I love it, by the way. I hated the previous government anyway. So I love all these guys. But I'm like, in my age, when I'm 40, I'm like bitter to everything, you know. But I like the new government. I like the new government better than the previous people. Let me show you how many people died. How many people died in July massacre? Bangladesh. Yeah, so July massacre, they say 650 people died. That's like their count, right? But what's the latest? The latest is like 1,500 people at least. Daily Star. So 20,000 injured, 631. That is like see how it is rising up. September 9, the September 14, the government has like fallen by this time. So at least 1,000 killed during mass uprising, 400 blinded. You know, so this is like August 30 news. That is at least a month old news. At least over 1,000 killed, right? Over 1,000 killed. So it should be like, yeah, this young kid was like one of the leaders. Count deficit. Where's the other guy? Like, anyway. So then the number is now 1,400. The official count is 1400. Let me show it to you. Let me write my own mother tongue. Um, right. That's what it's in 1423. So roughly 1500 people died. It's great when you can speak multiple languages and read and write in multiple languages, right? It feels great. Right. Yo, what's happening, bro? Open the damn app. Let us go ahead and make something with ChatGPT. A new one, and what I'm gonna do. Tuck, 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 tuck. It's taking a sweet time though, right? For building that app. Oh, it's done. Yo, it's done. How long did it take? Give me some icons for iOS, and give me all the sizes for the iOS icons, and make me an icon. It should look like it's an icon for to-do app. Just basically one tick will do, just the right tick action. Yeah, make me. So the macOS app, you can tell it like what to do, and you don't have to type it. And it's just blessings, man. Yeah, I know the sizes, bitch. I know the sizes. Okay, this is done. You create the image. Make the damn you know. Okay. Yeah. Yo, your app is boring. Okay. Save image as. Let's put it into desktop. As PNG. What's wrong with you? So give me all the sizes. Give me all the sizes. Make all the sizes. 58, 58, 80, 80, 60, 60, 167, 167, 152, 152, 120, 120, 180, 180, and 1024, 1024. Make me all the sizes and all the variations in one picture. It's probably not gonna make it anyway, because it's gonna say, yo, you can't, I can only make you like 2 images a day, something like that. PNG, no problem. No problem. Let me see it. 129. Yo, I did it. Desktop. What? Stupid cunt. For fuck's sake. You see? Stupid cunt. But anyway, we can work with it, no problem. Do I have Sketch? Yeah. 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 No. Don't tell me. Fuck that. What do we have? What do we have? I can go try to like use our own one. Okay. Upload it. Not that. Yeah. Can I do it? Like make me all the variations. Make me all the variations for iOS. App icon. So 120, 120, 180, 180, etc. Yeah, make me all the variations. I love it. This is what like ChatGPT stuff is, at least I'm using it for, like to make my life easier, but I think you can make your life way easier. Don't tell me, Masaka. Don't tell me. If it gives me like a grid again, oh stupid fuck. Right. While it does it, let's go ahead and. You're always gonna be there? Hell no. React Native macOS, right? How'd you get React Native macOS up and running? Let's go. React Native macOS. Yeah, this is npx React Native macOS in it. Let's go what? So npx, so that's it basically it. After you have your React Native up and running, just do React Native macOS. But okay. Latest version for React Native macOS is 71 is React Native macOS. Oh, nice, nice. So what? Okay. Why do we have 75.1 then? We could have like had the latest stuff for once. Okay, no problem. npx React Native. Come on, failed. Yan add s error. React Native macOS in it. What is that? Is it changed? Has it been changed? npx React Native macOS in it. Dude. Like, you that ass, man. CodeGen 75.2. Can be doing 71 and 75 though. Like 75.1 and 75.4. Like React Native macOS can be like far ahead. You know what? What is the latest React Native version? Not P, not the pager. Yeah, this one. What's the latest one? Is 75.4? Release 75.3. How come they're asking like, oh, 76 RC1? 75.3. So if it is 75.3, why is it saying like React Native macOS 75.4? What is crazy talk? How? What? Man, 75.4 is not even out. Okay. npx React Native macOS in it. Is it gone? Like, dude, I'm so crazy. Retinue macOS. Let's go to releases. 74. I think I should have gone to like 74, man. You know, what is there? Like deprecate run macOS by. Damn, that kid. 17-year-old kid. Vision as okay. Sure, CLI deprecate configuration option. What's that, by the way? Set build vision as cursor pointer. JSM transform prop. Okay, we're not gonna use 75. But why is it trying to install like? It's gonna give us the same error. 75.4. Jeez. Should be closed. 70. Yeah, this one. 74.1 macOS. npx. Okay, I should have done this. cd yarn add. Okay, let's try to do this. Yeah, unable to set up using npx React Native macOS init. Same thing. Okay, cool. Thank you, buddy. Whoever has made this. Okay, cd trial app. Yeah, no one wants to do anything real with macOS, but it is ready, man. I've made like a proper app. Fixing React macOS release August 6th, so last month. Meanwhile, you can use the patch. Patch was not helpful. I'm getting the same error. See the same error. Same error. No problem. What's the fix? Npx React macOS init verbose true. Okay. SKU and I've looking at getting fixed apologize for the delay. Nice, fixed with version 2.1.2. 2.1.2. What? Where? How did you fix it? It's not fixed. Okay, yarn add workaround as described. npx relative. Okay. 74.5. So I'm 74.1. I should have done this. npx React Native community CLI init React Native macOS 74. So version. Okay, isn't saying? Yeah, in a test project version 74. If you do not install CocoaPods on prompt, do you want to? Okay, let's try to. Okay, let's try to add like this. 74.1. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Love it. Okay, let's see if it has added LSDLA macOS. Where's the macOS? What? Where's the macOS folder? Vendor? Bundle? That's not it. Where's my macOS stuff? Yeah, I did this in it latest init test version 75.1. If you do not install CocoaPods, we're gonna get to the bottom of it, man. Enable scheme configuration debug. It's not gonna work. See, like, if you want to like run Mac OS, then this is you'll have to like face all this stuff. How come it's 76 after 75.3? Okay, no problem. Multiple errors when creating a new project. Testing release 74. Embrace React latest init test project. That's what we do. Embrace React macros init. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Like, say what version is that? Okay, no problem. Yeah, do that. Invalid pot file, Flipper configuration. Flipper is not compatible with macOS. Figure an absolute path to your application that couldn't install parts. Okay. Updating the parts. Flipper. 74 has Flipper yet? Okay, oh, it has the macOS stuff. So CD, Mac, okay. CD, macOS. Pod install. Invalid pot file. Okay. Invalid pot file, Flipper configuration. Is there anything like that? Yeah, it is. So then it fails with another error. Commenting out the Flipper line in the pot file will allow the build to proceed. It is React Native Run macOS then does not open. On my end, running npx React Native Run macOS then does not open the app. All right. It seems there's at least an issue with the pot file. I don't have good enough understanding of the system to debug. At least he's honest. I love it. I love Saad, man. I love Saad. Indeed, Flipper configuration was removed. So I think that's still showing up. Yeah, so in React Native it was removed. In macOS side it wasn't removed. Cool, no problem. Had a look at that. What's this? Why don't you know you? Bro? Functional programming? Who's this guy? LinkedIn? Bro? Why don't you know you, man? You're doing React Native macOS, your family, bro. Bullshit. Who's messaging me? Dude. Tokyo as well? Bloody blah. Hey, bro. So, you in React Native macOS issues repo. I make macOS apps too. Let's connect. I love Japan, by the way. He doesn't know like I love Japan and all that. What does he work on? Freelance? Shit. He worked with as a software engineer in Bandai Namco for a year? And Nintendo? Man, that's... I ain't got time to do this shit. Okay. So, pot file. Let's try to get it like up and running at least. Pot file. Pot file. Fabric enabled. Flipper is not compatible. Did you say comment it out or? We'll allow the build to proceed. Okay. Pod install. Akaza is building. All right. And then he says like he React Native npx React Native Run macOS does not open the app. Okay. We can open it from the Xcode maybe. See, that's why people like it definitely has cost me more than $30 right now. That's all the TikTok app was asking for a whole year, and I was cheap, and I've paid with my time, but that's cool. You see, indeed, a template project. We need to remove it. Do you want me to pull like a pull PR or whatnot. The bundle URL function is not defined. Yo, who's that? Yep. All right. Like I'm always torn between making a product versus going into React Native macros and send like pull requests. I know I'm gonna get like super, like I'm gonna get like sucked into that. That's why I stay away from it. But it's a fun job, man. It's a fun job. Depends on how much it pays. I mean, I would love to like go work on this open source stuff. But the problem is, you know what? The problem is that they've got this like round ass interview process. Like you have to have like 5 or 10 interviews. They're gonna ask you like quizzes, not like algorithm questions and like system design and all that bullshit. Like, come on, man. You don't need us to do that. Like you have like AI stuff. And are you gonna have a job? We don't know. But like someone said something really good the other day. Like, you know, people used to make sweaters by hand, like using yarns and like wool and like knitting and all that. Like only people who knits nowadays are old grandmas and people who wants to do it for fun because it's a therapeutic as well. Like my mother used to do it. She used to like build us like proper sweaters and mufflers using like knittings and wools and whatnot. But no one does it this way anymore, especially not in the production because there's like machines to do it for us. And people overseas it, but still machines. Like you can't do it 100% by yourself. And I think it's the same thing with code. Like no one's going to use, like you will have to use Cursor. All right. Not him. Mac. Moment of truth. Let's see if it builds. So we've almost been doing this for like 45 minutes almost. So bloody hell. That's the problem why people don't run with macOS and stuff. But I've been playing with all this stuff for so long, that's second nature to me now. Like I know where to go, what to look. Even if like anything happens, I'm comfortable and confident. Like this is how you would do it, right? And but like a lot of people get scared. I feel very in like what do you call it? I'm getting very enticed to look into the Flutter environment because apparently it's very easy. Even some people are like making like, okay, I have macOS, on Windows, iOS, Android, like boilerplate and all that to make apps. Right now we only have iOS, Android, and web boilerplates, but not like Mac apps or Windows apps. So also they have Flutter Flow, which is cool. While it builds, I want to see like while it builds. So that's why I don't want to go from the screen. But otherwise, I would have shown you like Flutter Flow. Let me show you Flutter Flow. Flutter Flow. High quality customized apps quickly. So like IDE, and I wonder if you can make it in Windows as well. Like this is. Yo, can you make it in Windows? Otherwise, this is shit. If you're not made with Windows, we don't even need these anymore. I think this company gonna go bust very soon if they don't use like Cursor. No one's gonna use that. Everyone's gonna use Cursor. Right, but Cursor can't do this stuff, fortunately, yet. But when it does, we're toast. Anyone has any questions or nothing? Let me check it out. Hey yo. Oh, we've already got our apps. What's this? View analysis? Hell no. All right. Let's make like iOS app icon. What's that? TikTok. TikTok. Yeah, download that. Download that too. TikTok. 152. When was? Yeah, 76, 76. I'm not sure. Like these are the ones we need. But let's just download it anyway. What is 6060? I know for sure 6060 is there. I wonder. I wonder. Are these the only ones? You sure? Are you sure? App Store 6060, 120, 180. Yeah, what's them at? 29, 29, 58, 87. Exactly. Now it says, since I haven't included every size in there, let me know. Now it's like, yo, give me the ones that are missing. It's like, come on, yo, give me the ones that are missing. Cause that's your job. Before there was like websites, shady websites with lots of ads, and people used to make the stuff. Look how my bald head is shining. I love it. I love it. But like I have too much hair. Like my hair grows back super fast, and I hate it. I wish I was bald. Cause it's so easy to like think about stuff, and whenever I do this, I get instant blood circulation in my head, and I feel awesome. The problem is my wife hates it, and you know, so she allows me to shave my head once in a blue moon, but that's about it. Otherwise, I used to shave my head every weekend. It was nice. Sometimes twice in a weekend. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That's what it should have given me in a zip file. 8080, 4040. Do I have a meeting now? I don't have a meeting now, do I? I think my boss is about to get like another guy somewhere. Like a client meeting. Internal marketing. 10:51. Yo, you know what? I gotta go on this call, man. Sorry, brothers. Sorry. I gotta go on catch this call. We have like a potential client call coming up for the agency side of our main business, which I don't run normally. But this is taking forever. Whenever it's done, I'll send an update. But yep, should I